Welcome back to my Tea with Abdullah Gaming. Okay, let's play Poppy Playtime Chapter 1. Let's do this game. This is my first time playing this game. I have no idea. I've seen a lot of videos on it. Let's try the game. Okay. The game is loading. Wow. The graphics are really good. Let's play this game. Okay, what do I do? There's a green tape over here. Can I put it here? Okay. Let me go here. What are the train colors? I think I know how to do this. Green, pink, yellow, red. Okay. That was easy enough. Easy enough. Okay. Let's go to here. Green, pink, yellow, red. Okay, good. Okay, there's another tape. Let me put this in here. Okay. What does it say? Oh, never mind. I'll just go over here. Gift shop. Is that Lake Pierre? Wow. Okay. I guess I go back. Let's actually go back to where I was. Okay, what does this say? Pull trigger to fire, pull again to track, hold to grip onto object. Okay, what's this? Do not fire at a coworker. This may cause injury. Oh, that guy said less. Wire is conductive, used for rewiring? I will try. Thank you. You're welcome. Use your grab pack responsibly. I guarantee I won't do that. Okay. Can I get the darn thing? I think it's called the grab pack. Open sesame. Okay, I got it. Got it. I think I can use it for that door over there. Wow, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna go here. Let's put the blue on blue. Let's hope this works. And bam. Okay. Open sesame. Open. Okay, good. Oh, there's Huggy Wuggy. Hey, Huggy. I think I have to break the system. There's the key. Hey, Huggy, thanks for the key. Get the darn key. Get the key. Let's go to the yellow door. Okay, and let's go inside. And I think there should be a power circuit somewhere over here. Oh, there it is. I didn't want to charge the hand. Jeez. Okay, open. Okay, let's charge the hand. Let's up. Get it? One. Where's the other one? And two. Oh, Huggy's on the loose. Huggy is on the loose. Let's try to do this. Open sesame again. I hope Huggy's not behind this door. Oh, there's Huggy's hand. I saw Huggy's hand. Why is he bleeding blue? Oh well. Let me keep going. Okay, what is this room? This room. Let's go up the stairs. Let me go upstairs. There's a blue tape. Go up the stairs. Guess I can use it somewhere else. I guess I keep going. Oh, there's a blue breaker, I guess. Put it here. I think I see the yellow one. Here it is. Get it! Get it! Okay, fine. Let's find the other two. I think I'm about to get the red hand. Not sure. Oh, there's the red one. There's one. Get it! Crouch. Reach. What? Let's squeeze in here. Oh no. Is it not reachable? Okay, fine. Can I get out now? Finally got out. There's the green one. I think I have all four. Let's go back. Hopefully not get killed by Huggy Wuggy. Let's move on to the next room. Wait, we were just here. I guess I'll go back up the stairs. Okay, now. Okay, the crane. Is that the red hand? Yeah, I think it's a red hand. I'm so excited. Woohoo! We'll have to get the red hand. Wait, what? Okay. Oh no. Sorry. Don't break the glass. Oh. It broke the glass. Get it. Get the stupid thing. Oh, fine. Jesus. Okay. Okay, now let's use this to power blue on blue and red on red. Okay. I really hope I don't get chased by Huggy Wuggy while I'm trying to do this. Okay, open. It opened. Let's keep going. Oh, a nice slide. Wait, how did I take fall damage? Oh well, I'll just keep going. Wait, this is... Let me charge my hand. Oh, I missed. Are you kidding me, man? I missed. Let's try this again. Go up, charge again. Now let's be careful. Okay. Now press the button. Hopefully that worked. Okay, it's loading. Is it gonna do anything? Open the door. Oh, it's open. Oh. How am I moving on my own? Oh, well, I think the ramp is moving or something. Let's keep going. I see alarms. Don't tell me Huggy Wuggy's about this. Oh. It's just toys, limbs, and heads. And other stuff. Okay, why are we decapitating these toys? I would like to know. Let's go up the stairs. Let's go up the stairs. Move! Why am I getting stuck? I asked to move, not to get stuck. There's a pink tape over there. I see the pink tape and I see a pink TV. Okay. There's a pink. Get it. Okay, let's get it. Let me put it in the TV. Let me put it in the TV. Okay, it's in the TV. Let me listen. Okay. Let's charge the hand,
Stella,
I think.
what made you want to work
Let's
at the
pull this
Playtime
first. Hopefully not
When I was young.
get killed by Huggy Wuggy while I'm trying to
Go
do
straight
this.
from my bedroom floor to
Reach it.
anywhere in the world.
Okay.
It was such a great
Okay.
feeling.
Charge the
Being
hand.
able to work at
I
a
think I have
toy
to
factory
power
where I
these
can provide kids with the
lamps,
same
I think they
experience.
are. Power 1.
Pretty great feeling
Power
too.
2.
Sometimes though, I
Power.
really wish I could go back.
Now
To
pull.
being a kid, I mean.
Why?
And
Why
it's
can't I
weird,
pull?
Because adults
What
aren't
the
just
heck,
kids,
man?
but older. I don't think anyone
Pull.
ever really feels like an adult.
Don't drop.
Your
Don't
body
drop.
just gets older.
Damn.
Older.
I think I need to let go. Let me
and
try
then you
again.
die.
Let's charge the hand.
Human bodies
Let's
just can't stay young.
go around here.
There's things though,
Oh
like
no.
some trees that
My
can
arms
stay
aren't
alive
long
even while
enough.
being way older than the person.
What the heck, man?
Most people to ever live
This is
are
impossible.
still younger than those.
Okay, let me go here.
So I guess
Let's try this
everyone is
the
always
same
young relative
way
to
we
something,
tried it earlier.
right?
Go around here.
All right, I think we're getting.
Go around here. Wait, that. Pull. What the heck, man? Why won't it pull? Oh, wait, can I just go here like this? Oh man, what? How do I do this? This is impossible. What? Nope, I don't want to do that. I want to get around. Get around it. What the heck? Okay, let me try this. Like that. And that, maybe? Now let's go forward. Pull. Why can't I pull? What the heck, man? Those darn is not pulling. Do your job and pull, I guess. Let me try to first pull. What? How am I supposed to do this? This is impossible. Just great. But fine, I'll just try another. Oh. Okay, go here. Can I press it? Oh, come on, man. I made it this far. Can I not go here? Now press it. What? What the heck, man? Oh man. Is there an invisible wall or something? How do I do this? This is officially hard. An example for a puzzle that's too hard for me. Okay. Why can't I go more forward? Aw man, I fell. I took fall damage too. Like that wasn't enough. Let's go back upstairs. Let's try this one more time. Hopefully not die. I mean not fall. Not get died. I really hope Huggy Wuggy didn't kill me while I'm trying to do this. Because that is just the last thing I need. Because this puzzle's too hard for me anyway. Oh no, that's more slack. Let me try again. Go from here. Wait, let me try this. Go around here. Go around here, there again. No, there again. Now go forward. Yes, that saved slack. Now, oh, I did it. Oh, that took me forever. And I took ball damage again. I hope I don't die after doing that. Let me press this button. Press? Press? Okay, I press. Let me pull these levers. You guys know I love pulling levers. I don't know how you ever knew that this is my first time playing Poppy Playtime. Pull. Okay, I'm pulling. What are we making? Are we making Huggy Wuggy? But is Huggy Wuggy that small? I don't think so. Maybe we're making a toy. Maybe we're making Huggy Wuggy. I don't know. Maybe Huggy Wuggy comes out of that. Maybe the machine goes wrong. I don't know. Like, I did watch videos, but I didn't watch fully. I hope we're not making Huggy Wuggy. I really hope we're just making something normal. Yeah, normal. Not something that I don't want it to come out. Okay. I don't know, this machine is doing anything. Just making noises. I really hope it's working. Oh, it's doing I think it's called quality inspection or something. Okay. Yeah, I was right. It is a toy. I thought it's gonna be Huggy Wuggy. Luckily, it isn't. Okay. Okay, let me go. Grab the toy. Grab it. Okay, I grabbed it. Maybe I put it there? I think I put it there. Nobody leaves without a toy. I'm never leaving this factory. Either with a toy or without a toy. Okay, let's just go through this door. Ah, there's Huggy. There's Huggy. Run. There. Oh no, he's monstrous. Oh, this is open. Let me go here. Okay. Nice slide. Okay. Oh no, there's Huggy. I see his eyes. Move. Okay. This is intense, man. Oh no, he's coming from there. Okay. Let's go here. Run. Can we go. Keep going, man. Go, man. Go. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh, this is another. Okay. I'm going good so far. Oh no. Ah! Okay. The point of me making this video is to teach you guys how to play Poppy Playtime if you're new. I think I'm just teaching you how to be dumb, stupid, and how to die in the game. Yeah, I'm just teaching you the ways to die. I'm very sorry if you are insulted by this, but the point of me making this video is just to teach you how to play Poppy Playtime. I know I'm not a smart aleck or anything, but I thought I knew how to play this game. I thought it would be easy, not intense, I'll call it, for now. Why isn't it loading? It's taking so long. Oh, fine. Oh no, I start right at the chase scene. Okay, let's do this again. Go! Go, 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 run, run. Oh, there's Huggy. He's big, man. He's real big. Just look at him. How does he go all the way from there into the vents? Like, how does he go into that vent when he was, like, following me? And he's so big. How does he just, fit in there? I'm just acting to calm. I'm just acting like I'm calm for you guys, so you don't feel like this is crazy. But this is intense, man. Oh no 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 no! Oh no! Oh go go go! Okay, I'm doing great. Not that I said I'm doing great. I'll probably die. Oh no, let me go straight. I think I didn't do that last time. No, keep going. Crouch, crouch, crouch. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Oh no. Well, this is just not possible. He's right there. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, oh no. I might die now. I hope I don't die. Oh, the slide. That's a good sign. Oh no. Wait, did I escape him? Oh no, why am I pull that? Pull it! Pull that stupid thing! Pull the stupid thing! Pull the stupid thing! Pull the stupid thing! Pull it! Pull the stupid thing! Oh, he's gonna kill him! Oh. Huggy! Oh. That was intense. I'm glad it's over. That was intense, man. This game is awesome, scary, infuriating, and hard. All at the same time. Okay, let's put this in. Oh no. It's the flower?
Final log.
Wait.
Experiment 1006.
It's
the prototype.
It's a
coordination and
it's a-
cooperation is evidently
Is it an
within your skill
orphanage?
set, as well as the
Maybe
skill
it's
set
an
of all
orphanage,
others.
maybe it's not. Might
Those
be.
still missing.
I don't
These
know.
events are no doubt
Might be a big
information.
house. That is
Absent
just
flawed in the
not a
scientific process.
house that I
Should
want to
have under
walk
no
in.
circumstances been left
It's
unaccountable
too
for.
creepy for me.
That's why I'm making
And I
this
get,
log,
oh no.
so that the
Why is
same
it getting
mistake
red?
won't be made twice. In
Who's
future,
that girl?
experiments will need to be contained and disposed of
Her name
in a
might be
secure
Poppy.
location.
Can't have Poppy without Poppy
I'm not worried
playtime.
about myself. One break
I mean,
and I'll be back.
we can't have Poppy
We must
playtime
forge
without
onwards
Poppy.
in the name of science.
Oh no.
Those who are
Do I
beneath
have
us
to
understand
open
it or
that?
not. End of
Toys? Maybe I can give Poppy a toy and then she'll be happy? Open! Oh no. Oh no. You open my case? Yeah? Okay, that was awesome, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see all of you in the next video.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached.